Hey, I don't know if any of y'all have seen this before, but I'm going to show you something that's pretty cool. Let me see here. There we go. You can see that, first of all, this is a spot welder I'm working on. You can see that this is definitely copper. It is a little shiny, but it's solid copper. Okay, you can see the color of it. Alright, look at this end. That's right, there's copper, there's silver. Brass color and silver. Look at that silver. That really shows up on that brass. Did the back side too, because there's a connection here on the back side. So this sets in here like this to make contact. Okay, I don't know if you ever saw that stuff before or not. It's really easy to use. This is the stuff I use. Okay, cool lamp, and it's just a powder, and you take a damp piece of paper towel or cloth or something, okay, you get it wet, you dip it in the powder, and then you start rubbing, and it turns it silver. I'll show you this when it's finished, but I'm sure you get the idea. It's going to be silver. It's pretty cool stuff though. A little expensive, but man, does it work good. Okay, I'm going to try to show you this in process here. Going to get some water, dampen it, go in here, put some powder. Alright, and we make a paste as we smear it on. Alright, let's do an area that's clearly copper. Alright, watch how fast this turns. There you go. Look at that. Copper, silver. Copper, silver. Works pretty good. Now we're talking about saving a lot of heat. Electrical conductivity goes sky high, and therefore less heat is generated, so less current flow Joe is wasted. Nice little trick from the archives. Well, I bet you can see the difference now. Yeah, pretty obvious, huh? There you go. One silver conductor, ready to pull high current. Nifty stuff though. Only takes a few minutes to rub it on. It's cool amp. Well, there we go. Doesn't look too bad. Nice and silvery. There's a little bit of play in this, but up in here looks pretty good. Well, that focus is something, huh? Pretty nifty, pretty nifty. There you go. Everything's working. Silver plated bars. Maybe help it run a little cooler. I think that'll work just fine. Okay, cool. Okay, we're going to try the spot welder now. I already did, of course. Got a little chunk Another plate. And put that on there. Theoretically hold it in place like this. Okay. And alright, we're gonna try it. There you go. One spot welded spot. There you go. Not too bad. $10. $10. Here, let me show you this thing from the side. You can see it working a little better. Pretty simple. Let's see. Right there. Right there. And there you go. Two spot welds. Alright. It's a pretty old reference. Anyway, you get it. Not bad. She works. She works. Not bad at all. I'm happy with that. Another project done. Hee hee.